Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I just got an order in the mail today. This is my new titanium Canteen cup cook set. This is the Valtcan titanium cook set. First time out of the box. Got this on Amazon for about 150 bucks. And it was normally 160, so it was on sale a little bit. Got something in the front here, got the lids. Comes with the wire so that you can hang your cups over the fire. It's got little places on the sides that the wire hooks into. So you got 1100 milliliters right here in the Canteen, 750 milliliters right here in this big cup, and 400 milliliters right here in the smaller cup. I like that, man, because I mean, you can have a drink, coffee or something in this, have a meal in that, and have your water vessel right there in the Canteen. All these cups have the markings, the measurements on the inside, which is pretty cool. I like the lid too, man. Fits on both cups. Try to put all this back together. You got your wire, the lid. This right here is going to eliminate a cook pot, because when it's just me, I'm by myself. This right here is my complete cook set. That's why I got this. This could be used as a little frying pan, fry a couple eggs in there or something. Alright, let's put some water in this bad boy. I washed it out. In between these clips, I took it inside and washed it. So we got two 16-ounce bottles of water, 16.9. Two bottles of water. 2 bottles of water fits in there perfect with room to spare. But you don't want to fill it up too high, because you gotta leave room for your lid to go on there. Let's see if it leaks. So what this is going to allow me to do is to open up one of these pockets that's on the front of my pack. This is my other pot that I always use. This is my Totes titanium 1100 milliliter. So this can come out, and over here, what just happened? Did it multiply? No, it didn't multiply. I went on eBay and thought I was getting a deal on the Canteen with the cups, but turns out I paid 80 bucks for just the Canteen. After the fact, I thought I was getting all of it for 80 bucks. So now I have two. It's the same thing. This one's just stamped with a different brand. Boundless Voyage. It's made from the same place. That C word. That country that starts with a C. That's probably the only con about this thing. So this is my Canteen pouch. This whole thing's going to fit in there, hopefully. Yep. Full of water, ready to go. So now I can move something from inside the pack to the outside. Almost forgot to put the lid in there. Probably what I should do is put the lid in there first, keep it in the bottom. I don't really care for this pouch. I'm not a big fan of digital camo. I'll probably never use this. If anyone's interested in this, just let me know in the comments and I'll just ship it to you. Free. Continental United States, lower 48. Yeah, if anybody's interested in this, you need an extra Canteen pouch, let me know. And it is yours. So for all of you that are wondering about the specs, a lot of people like the specs. I'm going to post that information right here on this next clip. Just hit pause if you want to see all the specs, because I did not take the time to memorize a bunch of numbers or anything like that. So here's the specs, and I'm going to see you in the woods, and we'll get this new Canteen dirty. Alright guys, I'm out here at camp. I'm out here today to work on my shelter. Alright, I'll give you a little glimpse. We're going to break in the Canteen cup with the first cup of coffee. Man, those cicadas are loud. It's been like that for about a week or so. There must be millions out here. Crazy, man. Keeping it nasty with some instant. Oh yeah. So I now have several different styles of Canteen cups and canteens. And I think it's safe to say that I'll never have to buy a Canteen cup or canteen again. But I am prone to lose things, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Be safe out there.